All right, so I want to make it so that the ball moves towards my mouse, right? So how do we do that? First off, we know if we have code that looks like this, that this is basically we got a variable named x, so we say let x get 200, let speed get 2, create our canvas, and now draw our ellipse at x comma 200. But the ball's not moving because x doesn't change. So if I wanted the ball to move to the right, I would do what? I would say x gets x plus speed, right? And that will make it move to the right. So far, so good. So I'm just going to leave that there as a comment. And if I wanted to move to the left, I could say x gets x minus speed, right? And that will make the ball move to the left. Not so bad. But I don't want it to be moving all of the time. So how do I make it do what I want it to? Well, that's where we come back to our if something, not capital if something move to the right, else move to the left, right? It's not so bad. So what do I put in this question? How do I ask? What do I want? I want something like if x, if let's the mouse, I want to move to the right if the mouse is to the right of the ball, right? If the mouse is to the right of the ball, then I want it to move to the right. Otherwise, I want it to move to the left. Fairly straightforward. So how do I ask, is the mouse to the right of the ball? Well, we know the ball is at x. If only we had a variable that kept track of the x for the mouse, like maybe a mouse x. So if I compare x and mouse x, I should be able to determine whether the mouse is to the right or to the left of the ball. Seems reasonable, right? So why don't we try that and see how it goes? All right, so again, do this as an independent thing to play with right now rather than trying to build it into your Absorbing Magician game. So don't try to build this in your Absorbing Magician game right now. Do this as an independent project, figure out how it works, and then figure out how to incorporate that to make your hat move back and forth in Absorbing Magician.